Okay. Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to be doing a review in math, which is just adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators. So we should all know how to do this. We just remember to add or subtract the top numbers, and then the bottom number stays the same. All right. Some of you had some good questions. You were noticing that what if the top number is bigger than the bottom number? All right. So if the top number is bigger than the bottom number, I'll give you an example. Okay. So 7/4. Obviously 7 is bigger than 4. This is called an improper fraction. Okay, it's improper because the top number is bigger than the bottom number. So what we can do, and what I want you practicing today on this worksheet, is how can we change this to make it a proper fraction? All right, so when we change an improper fraction, it's then called a mixed number. So a mixed number looks like this. So you have a whole number, which would be the 2, mixed with a fraction, which would be the 1/3. Okay, so this is what a mixed number looks like. And you say this 2 and 1/3. So it's 2 wholes and then 1/3. All right, so let's go back to that improper fraction. 4/7. Okay, we want to change this into a mixed number because, oh, I'm sorry, not 4/7. 7/4. There we go. We want to change this into a mixed number because it's an improper fraction. So when you add or subtract today, if your answer comes out where the top number is bigger, this is what you're going to do. All right, so we look at this like a division problem. We're going to be dividing 4 divided by 7. So if it helps, you can write it out like this. Okay, and you're going to think, 4 goes into 7 how many times? 4 goes into 7 once, so 1 whole time. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract, and we get 3. So when we do the subtraction, we know we would write this answer 1, remainder 3. However, we're looking to change this into a mixed number. So what we're going to do with that remainder, the remainder is going to become our numerator. So it would look like this. 4 goes into 7 1 whole time, remainder 3 over 4. Okay, so let's think where I got that denominator from. All right, so if you remember our rules, our denominator stays the same. Okay, so that's where the 4 comes from. So once again, if you want to change a improper fraction to a mixed number, you just divide. So we'll practice another one. All right, so let's say you get 8 over 3. All right, so you add your fractions together and it comes out as 8/3. Well, obviously our top number is bigger and we're going to have to change that into a mixed number. All right, so we're going to divide. If you can do this in your head, great. Think 3 goes into 8 how many times? I'll write it out over here. 3 goes into 8, 3, 6, 2 whole times. 2 times 3 is 6, subtract. 2 is our remainder. So 2, the remainder becomes the numerator, and our denominator stays the same. So our answer would be 2 2/3. Okay, watch this video as many times as you want to get the hang of it. But on this worksheet today, any problems that come up as an improper fraction, I want you to try to change it to a mixed number. All right,